Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about a new NYX product. A new NYX product and another product that's gone pretty viral for NYX. If my face looks a little darker, it's because I'm trying a foundation and it's really pretty, but the color is just slightly off. It's not terrible, but I look like I just came back from vacation. Anyways, that's not what this video is about. I'm going to talk about the new NYX epicsmokeliner. It's an angled liner with a blender. Brand new. And I'm going to also be trying out the jumboeyepencil crayon in the shade Yogurt. TikTok made me buy it. In this video, I'm going to just kind of quickly give you some information on the liner, and then I'm going to just give you the information I've gathered from TikTok and just how to use this other product. I've been discovering more products from NYX. I know I am super late to anything NYX. You know, I've been slowly discovering the line and finding things that I love, finding things that I wish I didn't buy. But so far, a lot of things have been hits. So in this video, like I said, I'm going to give you a little bit of information on the products. We're going to swatch, and then we're just going to try it on. We're going to have fun with it. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. All right, Epic Smoke Liner. I forgot how much I paid for it. I got it off of Amazon. I want to say it was probably like, not Amazon, I'm sorry. I got it off of Ulta. I want to say it was maybe, I don't know, somewhere between $10. NYX price point sometimes is either expensive or pretty reasonable for drugstore, but this is a new launch. It's supposed to be really good, and it's a product that has a liner and like a brush at the end, and it's like one of those brushes that are soft and supposed to make blending easy. And now the eyeliner is in a like triangle shape. It's supposed to be helpful when lining your eyes, like the shape of it's just supposed to make it easier. So I'm excited about that. Then the other product, I figured 2 videos in one instead of making you watch 2 separate ones, is going to be on the jumbo pencil. Now, I saw on TikTok all over the place, they were using that white one. I forgot what it was called. And people were using it to like highlight their face and everything. I thought that was cool. I don't think that white shade would work very well for me. I think if I use that on myself, it's going to look too like stark or too... It's not going to look nice. So I went with Yogurt. I felt like that's a good color, that maybe it'll be great for highlighter. But I'm also going to use this on my eyes. Just, we're going to have fun with it, basically. So I guess let's start off with the liner. That's the more like newest release. This is it. Let me get you in close so you can see what the point looks like. See how it kind of, maybe you could see it that way. It has like a, almost like a teardrop tip. So you can push it up and you can push it back down, which is great. So I'm going to swatch it for you. That's the color. Let me look at it. Oh, that's a very good black color. Let me just... It's a nice matte black color. Beautiful. And then this is Yogurt. I don't know how this one works. I am assuming that you can sharpen it. You know what the problem is? I have this sticker on this. Hold on, let me peel it off real quick. Guys, if you bought this, let me know if this can be sharpened. I mean, I'll do my research and I will update it in the description box, but I don't know if you can sharpen it. And I thought this was like a twisty thing. And I bought these kinds of pencils years ago. Like, it's nothing like new. I don't know if you can sharpen it. All right, I'm gonna put it back. All right, so this is Yogurt. And that's kind of what it looks like. It's almost like a rose gold color. It's very pretty. Definitely think it's gonna be great as a highlighter. So let's do eyeliner first, and then we're going to play with this. I'm going to pull you in. I have mascara on already. So, and if you're curious, I have on the Maybelline Green Edition. I really like this mascara. I've had it on for a few hours and my lashes are like up and just nice. All right, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna start lining my eyes. Let's see if it's easy. Ooh, okay, it's sliding on the eyes very easy. It's not like tugging or anything like that. Guys, look at that line. Okay. It's pigmented. It's not pulling my eyelids. I'm 34 years old. I'm not trying to pull in my eyes anymore because that's just going to create more wrinkles. So if you have mature eyes or you want something that's going to be smooth, I think you're going to like this. I'm going to take the brush side and I'm just going to smudge it out. It's like the selling point on this. It's supposed to kind of make your liner easier to apply. It's really pretty. That's really, it smudged it out really nice. Okay. I'm going to try to do my hooded liner look. So when you put so it looks like a teardrop, right? The point, if you put it up here and you kind of pull, it does a little cat wing for you. That's freaking cool. That's really cool. Oh my God. Very good. Super impressed. Like it already. Let's do the other eye. I'm going to take that point. Right. Let me show you this way. So if you could see, it has like a teardrop point to it, right? So this point up here, I'm going to lay on the corner of my eye. Watch. See how it just did that little triangle part for me? That is amazing, especially if you struggle doing that little flicky part. Amazing. That was so easy. Let me tell you something. I usually hate doing my eyeliner with pencils, mainly because the line is never easy. I have to constantly go over it, or I feel like I'm tugging. And this by far was the easiest eyeliner with a pencil that I've ever used. I favor liquid liners because you just kind of go swoop with it and it glides over and it's one and done kind of thing. Like this is look. I really want the brown one now. Oh my goodness. I just went with this shade because I'm boring and like, you know, tried and true. Let's go with the black and I'm beyond impressed with this. The color is so black. Look how like my brown eyes actually pop. And I don't know if you guys have brown eyes too, but I just feel like sometimes making eyes that are brown pop is like almost impossible. Like, you know, unless you have like those hazel eyes or the light brown eyes or blue eyes or green eyes, like no matter what liner you do, it's like boom. But at least in person, I know the lighting might be a little bit dark. My eyes look really nice and brown. So just saying. I'm feeling myself. All right, let's go with yogurt. So now the jumbo pencil can be used anywhere on the face. It's like meant to be on the eyes, but let's think outside the box. I'm going to take it and I just want to highlight the inner corners here. Let me pull you in again. So we can do something like this. This is another product that just feels like it's gliding on my skin. See, and now if I go over the line I just did, it just gives this really beautiful like highlight to my eyes. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. I have little lids because my eyes are a little bit hooded, so I really like to bring light to my lids or just wear, you know, because it opens up the eyes. And the same thing I tell customers or clients when I'm doing their makeup. That's really pretty. I'll pull you out. Nope, that's not out. That's it. I hope you guys can see that. I don't know. I can see it in the window. I can see it in the mirror. It looks really nice. All right. So now for the TikTok trick. I'm going to take this down the bridge of my nose. Let's highlight my face. Not going to lie. This is just a tad bit too pink for me. But pretty nonetheless. See? Brings a nice highlight. Uh-oh. Let's do the tops of my cheeks. There's another color. It was called, was it cottage cheese? Or I don't know, it had a weird name. And it was like a silvery white kind of color. And I feel like that may have been a little more universal. Ooh, that's pretty. That would have been a little more universal. But this is actually really nice too. Can you guys see that? Stunning. Oh my goodness. All right. See this side versus this side? Let's go more here. So I had seen like some girls doing it. They were like more tan skin and they used this color and it just looked so pretty. This color definitely pulls a little more like rose gold. But it's still really nice. Super pretty. Super pretty. I think it's definitely beautiful. It complements like my brown eyes. So that's fun. All right. Now I don't remember how much this cost. I think it was like $5 or something. So pretty, you know, pretty good price point. Let's pull you back up. So overall thoughts. Wow, this liner is definitely a really good one. It comes in a variety of shades. I saw brown, I saw like a white beige color, I saw blue, black. The formula is super creamy. It's so pigmented. Wow. It's beautiful and it smudges nice. I think that the shape of the little teardrop definitely makes it easy to like get that nice little point, and it does make it easy to get a nice like kind of thin line. You can obviously go thicker if you want, but I think it's really beautiful. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth the price point. I know sometimes Ulta runs those things where it's like buy two get one free kind of situation. Highly recommend these. And if you want like to experiment with color, beautiful colors, great pigmentation. So nothing bad to say here. I really like both products. I do want to try the jumbo pencil in a different color. This is pretty and it's like working, but yeah, I don't know. I guess I think I kind of like it for just like a nice little highlight. I would prefer it to be less like of that rose gold, but I'm not mad at it. And to be honest with you, like in this part where I'm textured, it doesn't make my skin look bad. It's really nice. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Any requests or any things you want me to try, or you're like, yeah, Anna, you gotta try this out because you're gonna love it. Comment down below. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.